This black soap is packed with a lot of fruits. It is rich in vitamin C, which will help you if you have wrinkles or aging skin. In a previous tutorial, I mentioned that blending fresh fruits and vegetables and adding them into your black soap is very wrong. So right now, I'm going to share with you how to incorporate fruits and vegetables into your black soap without adding them fresh. I'm going to begin by shredding the black soap into tiny bits. This will make it easier to dissolve the black soap and make the black soap making easy. You can also use a grater to grate it if you want very smaller chunks, and this will also make it easier to dissolve. The full recipe of this black soap with all the accurate measurements of all the ingredients will be somewhere within this video, so make sure you don't skip a bit so that you don't miss out on the recipe. This is what the African black soap looks like after shredding it into tiny bits. Now we can go on with making the black soap. To dissolve and soften the black soap, I'll be making use of cucumber extract. Cucumber extract is very hydrating. It contains vitamin C and vitamin K. It also has anti-inflammatory property. Right now, I'm going to pour the cucumber extract into the black soap. Yes, you're going to be using this cucumber extract to dissolve and make the black soap soft before adding our other ingredients. You can also make use of honey or glycerin instead of the cucumber extract, but I'm deciding to use cucumber extract because we are making a fruity black soap. Now I'm just going to mix and combine it and make sure the black soap sits very well in the cucumber extract. If you want your black soap very soft, then you have to increase the amount of liquid you use to dissolve it. So if you want a softer black soap, then you would use more than this. Now after combining everything, I'm going to cover it and leave it to sit for a while so that the black soap will have time to dissolve and soften up. This is after about 5 hours. I'm just going to open it up and you will see that the black soap has softened. And this is what the black soap looks like now. Everything has softened and it will be easier to add our other ingredients at this point. So I'm just going to use my hand to mix it up and combine everything. Here is the black soap. I transferred it into this transparent bowl so that you can have a better view of it. Now we're going to begin adding our other ingredients into it. The first ingredient I have here is mango butter. Mango butter is derived from the mango seeds. Mango butter can help prevent inflammation and itchiness of the skin. It's also very moisturizing and it can help prevent and protect the skin from UV damage. The next ingredient I'll be using is carrot oil. Carrot oil is rich in vitamin C and beta-carotene. Carrot oil can help in brightening of spots and scars. It has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties and it can help with dry skin. We're going to start by adding the mango butter into the carrot butter, and then we're going to mix to combine them together. You can also use the double boiling method to just heat it up so that the mango butter can dissolve. But if you don't want to use the heat method, then this is a perfect method. Now once the both of them are well and properly combined, we're going to add the mixture into the black soap. If you don't have mango butter, you can also use shea butter or cocoa butter, but I'm deciding to use mango butter since I am making a black soap with fruits mostly. We're going to be making use of fruit extract powders mostly, and the first one we are using is orange peel powder. It is rich in citric acid. It can help brighten spots. It can help lighten pigmentation, scars and dark spots. I have a tutorial on my channel on how to make orange peel powder at home. I'll drop a link to it in the description box, so feel free to check it out. And of course, I'm going to add the orange peel powder into our black soap with mango butter and carrot oil. Moving on to the next ingredient, we will be using carrot powder. Carrot powder is great for skin repair. It helps to increase the elasticity of the skin. It is rich in beta-carotene, also rich in vitamin C. I also have a tutorial on how to make carrot powder at home. I'll leave a link to it in the description box, so make sure you check it out after watching this. If you're finding this video helpful, please make sure you give it a thumbs up. Also comment, ask your questions and subscribe so you don't miss out on more content like this. The next fruit powder we will be using is papaya powder or pawpaw powder. Papaya powder is also rich in vitamin C. It's also rich in the enzyme papain. It has anti-aging benefits. It's hydrating and it can help control oil production in the skin. I'll also be adding the papaya powder into the black soap. As you can see, most of these ingredients are rich in vitamin C, so this black soap is going to be packed with vitamin C. The next ingredient we'll be using is banana peel powder. Banana peel powder is also rich in vitamin C. It can help control allergies, acne, and wrinkles. It can help with removing toxins from the skin. It is perfect for aging skin. I'll also add the banana peel powder into the black soap, and then we are going to mix to combine all of them together. You have to mix very well so that everything is well combined before we add other ingredients into this. This black soap is going to be very rich in vitamin C, and some of the benefits of vitamin C are: it can help with pigmentation, it helps with aging skin, it can help prevent sun damage, helps to fade dark spots and wrinkles as well. Now I'm going to add the last set of ingredients. First, I'm adding in vitamin E oil, which is an antioxidant, and next I'm adding in my Germal Plus preservative, which will help prevent our black soap from going bad and growing molds. I'm going to mix to combine both of them together also into the black soap. After mixing, it is time to pack it into our container. I'm using this jar. I'm just going to pack the black soap into the jar and save it for use. This black soap is safe and it is suitable for use for kids and adults. This is the consistency of the black soap. It is not too hard and it's not too soft. If you want a softer black soap, then make sure you increase the liquid when dissolving the black soap. And this is how well the black soap lathers. As you can see, it lathers well and it foams really well without even using too much. This is the full recipe as promised. You can take a screenshot of it and go back to it when you need to replicate it, or you can come back to this video to check it out. This black soap is really great for the skin, rich in vitamin C. It will help you a lot with UV damage. It also helps with fading dark spots and also helps with aging skin. So if you have aging skin or wrinkles, this black soap is great for you. Make sure you check out the tutorials on how to make orange peel powder and carrot powder at home so that you can make them and make your black soap. If you learned from this video and you found this video helpful, please make sure you give it a thumbs up, give it a like, comment, ask your questions in the comment section. Also, let me know if you'll be trying out this recipe. Also, make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss out on great recipes like this. Also, turn on your notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. Also, make sure you check out my other videos. There's a lot and lots for you to learn from there. Bye, and see you in my next video.